Hello dear students, today we will discuss about the connective tissue. What is connective tissue? It is a type of tissue which are connected to each other as per name indicate. It is a most abundant types of tissue in our body. Type of tissue in our body. There are major three components over there. Major components of the connective tissue. First one is called matrix. Second one is called cells, and third one is called fibers. What is matrix? Matrix क्या होता है? It is a jelly-like semi-fluid ground substance. Semi-fluid ground substance comprising of modified of polysaccharide of modified polysaccharides and glycoproteins. आप यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछोगे सर विच टाइप ऑफ पोलीसैकेराइड, तो से फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे हो सकता है पोलीसैकेराइड का एग्जांपल हाइलुरोनिक एसिड, एंड केराटिन सल्फेट. This is the composition of matrix over here. Second one is called cells. कौन कौन से type of cell होते हैं? There are the numerous type of cells such as adipocytes. What is the function of adipocyte? Fat storage. Second होगा fibroblast. It's secreting fiber. Fibers. Third one is called plasma cells. Plasma cells क्या होते हैं? For producing antibodies. Another one is called macrophage. For phagocytic activity, cell engulfing. Phagocytic activity. Third one is called mast cell. It secretes the histamine, serotonin, and heparin. Histamine, and serotonin. Clear? So this is all about the information regarding the cells. Third one is called fibers. Which type of fibers present in the connective tissue? First one is called collagen. Collagen क्या होता है? It is a type of protein most abundant found in animal kingdom. It is a white colored unbranched fiber lying in parallel bundles known as for strength. स्किन के अंदर पाया जाता है. सेकंड वन होता है इलास्टिन. सेकंड वन क्या होता है? इलास्टिन कैसा होता है? येलो कलर्ड, और ये होता है ब्रांच फाइबर दैट अकर सिंगल होता है एंड नोन फॉर द एबिलिटी टू स्ट्रेच एज पर नेम इंडिकेट इलास्टिन, इलास्टिसिटी. एंड थर्ड वन इज कॉल्ड रेटिक्यूलिन. It is also in yellow color branch fibers that occur singly, known for the forming a crisscross mesh-like network. So this is all about the major component of the connective tissue include over here. So first one is called matrix, second one is called cells, and third one is called fibers. So there are basic three components of the connective tissue. First, jelly-like fluid substance, ground substance, modification of polysaccharide and glycoproteins, example hyaluronic acid and keratin sulfate. Second one is called cells, various type of cells like adipocytes, fibroblast, plasma cell, macrophage, and mast cell, and different types of fiber like collagen fiber, elastin fiber, and reticulin fiber. Clear? Now, different types of connective tissue present in our body. The types of connective tissue. First one is called loose connective tissue. Second one is called dense connective tissue. And third one is called specialized connective tissue. Loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue and specialized connective tissue. लूज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू के अंदर हम फर्स्ट देखते हैं एरियोलर टिश्यू. एरियोलर टिश्यू is a one type of loose network of collagen and elastin fiber containing macrophage, mast cells and fibroblast. Most abundant types of connective tissue, this is called loose connective tissue. What are the functions of loose connective tissue? It forms the packaging material around organs and the body wall. Second, it connects the integuments to underlying the muscles and blood vessels. Means it is found almost everywhere. Adipose tissue, second one होता है adipose tissue. Mainly collagen fiber supporting the adipocyte. What is adipocyte? Is a site of site means cell. It is a cell. What is the function of this cell? Fat storage, lipid storage and metabolism. Functions of the adipose tissue. There are the various functions like white adipose tissue act as a shock absorber around the kidneys. Each and every organ surrounded by adipose tissue as a shock absorber around smooth organ, kidneys, eyes act as a food reservoir in a hump of camel. Food reservoir, hump of camel. Blubber of whale and act as an insulator as well. Third one, this is the areolar tissue and adipose tissue under loose connective tissue. Third one हम बात करते हैं dense connective tissue, dense regular and dense irregular. Dense regular and dense irregular. Dense regular के अंदर बात करते हैं tendons and ligaments. What is tendons? It is a white fibrous collagen. Attached to bone to muscles. It is composed of yellow elastin fiber. Attached bone to bone. Dense irregular. It comprises of irregularly network. It is arranged in an irregular network like fibers. It forms fascia. You heard the word of fascia. It is found in muscles, surrounded by muscles and kidney as well, etc. Specialized connective tissue, example fluid connective tissue, or it comprises of cartilage, bone and blood. Cartilage is bone and blood. The different types of cartilage present in our body. There are hyaline cartilage, white fibrous cartilage and elastic cartilage. What are the difference between white fibrous, hyaline and elastic? Hyaline, as per name indicate, hyaline means hylose. Hylose means glass. Glass जैसा structure, this is called appearance like translucent. White, it see like opaque structure. Opaque. And elastic also in opaque appearance. Fibers are absent, hyaline cartilage. White cartilage, the fiber is made up of collagen, and elastic fiber, it is made of elastin. Characteristic, hyaline cartilage present in almost where most abundant. White fibrous, strongest cartilage, and elastic are pliable or stretchable. Uh, what is the location of hyaline cartilage? Where it is found? Rings of trachea, nasal septum, larynx, costal cartilage, white fibrous found in invertebral disc, intervertebral disc, pubic symphysis. It is found between the two pubic bone. Pubic symphysis. And elastic cartilage, epiglottis. It is found in epiglottis, tip of nose. Eustachian tube. Let me know in the comment section. Eustachian tube किसका पार्ट है? ईयर पिन्ना. ये सब जगह पे ये तीन मेनली कार्टिलेज पाए जाते हैं: हाइलाइन कार्टिलेज, वाइट कार्टिलेज एंड इलास्टिक कार्टिलेज. इट इज अंडर स्पेशलाइज्ड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. कार्टिलेज क्या होते हैं तो उसके बारे में पहले बात करते हैं. कार्टिलेज के वर्ड हम यूज करते हैं कॉन्ट्रो. Contro always indicate cartilage. The chondrology study of cartilage. The young cells are called as chondroblast and mature cells are called as chondrocytes. Both secrete matrix. Cells may occur singly and cluster of surrounded by space is called lacuna. This is called lacuna. Matrix is a solid, pliable, rigid. The compression is composed of substance like chondroitin. Main protein is called chondroitin protein sulfate. Is that clear, all of you? So this is all about the information of cartilage. Now we move on bonds. Bonds क्या होते हैं? Relative bonds. The study of bonds is called osteology. It composed of also cells, matrix, and fibers. Young cells are called osteoblasts. The mature cell is called osteocyte, similar to cartilage. Bond secretes matrix. The cell surrounded by the space is called canaliculi and lacuna. Matrix is a hard and non-pliable ground substance. Matrix is arranged in lamelliform. Fibers is made up of collagen in nature. It is a periosteum and are referred to as Sharp's fiber. Epiphyseal region of long bones are the sites for erythropoiesis, and they contain both yellow and red bone marrow. This is the horn-like structure, epiphyseal region. क्लियर. और वहाँ पर हमारा रेड बोन मैरो है और ये क्या कराता है? एरिथ्रोपोएसिस कराता है, आरबीसी फॉर्मेशन. देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बॉन्स प्रेजेंट इन अवर बॉडी. फर्स्ट होता है कार्टिलेजिनियस बॉन्ड. सेकंड इस होता है इन्वेस्टिंग बॉन्ड और डर्मल बॉन्ड. और थर्ड वन होता है सेस्मोइड बॉन्ड. Sesamoid bond found in patella and pisiform. Dermal bond found in clavicle region and skull bone. Cartilaginous bond found in femur, humerus, girdle bones, ribs, vertebra, etc. So this is all about the information of connective tissue over here. If you like my channel, share my channel, then directly click on bell icon so you will get the new information regarding the new updated video. in your phone notification. Thank you, students.